All right, real quick. This showed up. It's our zero clearance insert. I had to, well, I got a pack of 3, and this is the way they come. So I got one for the regular blade, and I also got a dado stack. So one's gonna be for the dado stack, and one's gonna be for the regular blade. When you first put it in, it didn't really fit, so I had to sand some of the profile down, and now it still needs a little, just a little fine tuning, but enough to where we can finish the process of getting this in. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So we're gonna remove that, and we're gonna slide our blade right there, our fence over it. We're gonna come over here. There. Now, in order to do this, we had to take off our riving knife, and the blade should be right about here. So the instructions say to take your fence, slide it over just enough to hold it down. Oh, let's. Oh, it's tight. Ah, okay. There. Okay. Ready? Here we go. That's all it took. Let's read the instructions. All right.
To prove that I do read instructions once in a while. Install the writing knife. Adjust the screws so the insert is flush with the tabletop. That's it, we're done.
So now we can look how tight this is. Look at that. It's like, that's special. All right. Pop that off. Oh, that comes off real easy now. Riving knife goes back in. Maybe. Ow. We're gonna pause and go to commercial. Okay, and we're back. Riving knife is installed and we're good to go. So now everything should fit. Wow. There you go. New zero clearance insert plate installed.